Lee, thanks for coming in. Obviously, you're our industrial lead, specifically on kitchens and extraction deep cleaning. Talk to us about why people should have their commercial kitchens cleaned, how often they should have them cleaned, and kind of the basic process of what we do.
The three main reasons is help prevent fire, smoke pollution, and noise pollution. Right. Normally, when we get called out to a job, it's because there's a problem. So rather than get them cleaned and maintain them to prevent them problems from happening, a lot of people don't.
Right.
So we're there to prevent, to cure the problems.
And how often should these kitchens be cleaned?
They should be done, if it's 2 to 6 hours a day's use in the kitchen, it's once every 12 months, once a year. If it's 6 to 12 hours use a day, then it's once every 6 months, twice a year. 12 hours or more, it's once every.
So that's a really busy kitchen, 12 hours or more. Yeah. But how often would you recommend that?
That would be 4 times a year.
4 times a year. Yeah, and that's important. So in that extraction system, the flue, the fan, there's a lot of grease going up there. There's a lot of fumes going up there from the fryers, etc. Right.
It's really important it's cleaned.
Yeah, and what's the process?
It's normally a minimum 2 man. One will be working on the inside on the canopy itself, and the duct that leads up to the fan.
Right.
I'll be on the roof where the fan wherever it's situated, and stripping out the fan.
Right.
Cleaning it, maintaining it, giving it a quick service.
Right.
And I'll do the outlet as well, which leads out of the building.
Excellent. So if anyone wants any more information, please get in contact with us at brilliantnow.co.uk. Click on the link here or follow us on Facebook. Thank you.